Hello, welcome to the CTE Easy Learning about the quick start of the Traccess 230. To do that, first let's get familiar with the remote control. The remote control of the Traccess allow us to operate, go with traction, operate the outriggers and stabilizers, and then once in the basket, all the aerials maneuver. We have a selector with 3 positions for operating the outriggers, for traction and for aerial maneuver. So let's put the remote control in the middle position here, release the emergency stop, and you will see that the system will start with the battery and the lights and the green lights on. At this point we move to the back of the spider, we rotate this selector to engine and we rotate the key also to engine. At this point you will see that the green light is flashing. While it's flashing, you press the horn button on the remote, you keep it pressed, and now the light is steady. Now we can start the engine from the back, or we can start the engine from the remote, simply going to start. Now it's time to stabilize. To do that, we move the selector to the outrigger position, so on the left, and we will go to operate these 4 levers. Every lever will control the position of the outriggers, narrow jacking or fully extended. And then with the use of the remote control, we will go to the automatic stabilization. So now I will start the engine. It will be a little noisy, but let's do it anyway. Now, before we start to operate the full stabilization, we must remember to lower the outriggers. We have to place the selector in the middle position, and once the legs are touch the ground, we can keep going stabilizing the unit, or we can use the automatic stabilization. It's here, automatic. So now I will start the engine again and lower the switch to show you. Once the unit beeps, it means that it's fully level. Now, if we want, we can keep pushing the selector to raise the unit even more. When we are done to operate, after finishing with the work, to close the unit, we can simply either go to the automatic stabilization up or close the legs manually. Let's do it. Now we place the selector again in the outrigger position and we can close the outrigger. And now if we place the selector again in traction mode, using the 2 external levers, we can drive away. In turtle mode, so pretty slow, or in rabbit mode, so quite faster. Let's do it.